Not intentional.
That's it, Keithy. That's it, Blokey. Gibbo, you got to bury it, Gibbo. Yes!
Get in
Go on,
there.
Gibbo.
Boy.
At last, as well. He's been fucking due a goal for a few games.
Well played, boys. Want to see the game out?
Got that one, Gibbo. That's it.
Go on,
That's
Keith,
it.
hit it. Day coming out, day coming out.
Need
Right,
your experience back there, Plonk.
Plonky's there.
Good. Plonky, give him a good bit of thing then, Dino, innit? Play back, give a bit of common sense.
Okay.
It's a Scouser, what do you expect?
Keith, shut up.
That keeps in ticking time bomb mode. Jack in the box.
Well, Keith Wolford, there you go. Take your time, Matty.
That Wolford engine
Keith,
just
have
keeps
it,
on
Keith,
running.
have it, Keith, have it. Gibbo.
Fucking where? Fucking hell. Go, Gadget League.
See it, Keith, see it, Keith, see it, Keith.
No rush, sunshine. Yeah, easy one, Plonk there.
I don't like it up, I'm gone quiet now. Have it back.
He's going to drop. Oh.
Go there, go there. Oh, unlucky. Go home early. How long, Gibbo? Let's go home, Matty. Shout at him. Scream.
No one come back to help though, did they? Plonk got left with no options. I think Bonky's fault, he had no fucking options. No, he could have gone home a bit quicker. Keith.
Oh,
Keith.
fuck you. Have you got it? Have you got it?
No. Told you it was in ticking time bomb mode, didn't I?
Yeah.
Told you that.
He's on target though, sir.
At least give them a kick though once they're
What are you now?
At least give them a kick once they're attacking and the referee's facing the other way, innit?
See it, mate? Well played, Plonk, well battled.
Just wait till the referee looking and give him a kick.
How long? How long? He's gone. Easy, easy. Ain't long now, come. On your shoulder. Yeah, we'll have that.